Tough decision?
Sorry.
Shithead. G'day, mate. Wonderful day for a bag of Cheez-Its, eh?
Son of a bee.
Hey, I'm next, buddy.
All right there, lassie. Be very quiet and don't make any sudden movements.
I'm sorry, do you even go here? What grade are you in? I've never seen you before.
Careful, friend. Looks like a wild croc has gotten into a big shiny box of treats. This one's got a sweet tooth on it. Do right. Oh, glory. Looks like this croc's gotten herself inside a fat onion now, hasn't she? I don't think she can wiggle herself out of there alone.
What the hell are you talking about? You're shushing me now, Patty? You actually think this guy can fix the vending machine?
I don't know, Bob. There's something about him.
Yeah, he's crazy.
Maybe something about him tells me he can teach us all about the lesson. Not only about ourselves, but about this great big planet we call Earth.
I think you need to get your head examined. Wait, isn't that the plot from Crocodile Dundee?
I don't care if it is. I trust him. I trust him with my life.
Now you two are crazy. It's a high school vending machine.
How does it work? Can you fix it?
Do Wallaby shimmy gander shanks?
I have no idea. But if you can get these for me, I'm probably gonna kiss you.
Security.
Oh, this croc is a tricky witch. She does not like this one bit, but I'm gonna keep doing it because candy is not good for her.
Be careful. He's dead.
So sad. And I really thought it was gonna work, too.
He did it. He gave his life for a bag of chips.
Yeah, and he also taught us a valuable lesson. Never stick a giant knife into a vending machine keypad. Thanks, Australian Nature Boy.
You think this is funny?
I don't see how it could not be.
You're a jerk, Bob.
Yeah, but I'm also alive, which is more than you can say for Dingo ate my baby over there.
Thank you. I will always remember you, Australian Nature Boy.